What's up guys, my name is Badget. This is my first video I've made and I figured why not play a horror game, because I mean a horror is a horror. There's so much fun in that, and yeah, I don't think it can be that bad, right guys? Guys, no, it can't be that bad playing a Backroom's game all alone with no one to hold when you get scared. Anyways, okay, so just a little bit about me before we start this game. So I'm very loud. I scream. I make stupid mistakes. So for the ragers out there, I'm talking about myself. Like I know when like YouTuber plays and they like miss something, I'm like, oh I know behind you. I'm that YouTuber. I will be that YouTuber. I will be worse than all of the YouTubers outside there. I scream. I'm loud. I talk in other languages. I can't speak English properly. So, guys, just bear with me. But yeah, we're gonna play the Backrooms. Something society and theme focus. Expected to do then play a horror game and scream yourself to death. Okay, but anyways, there was a plank here. I collected the plank. Now we're gonna craft a bloody ladder. I'm gonna be both the builder guy. And there's like smilers. I've played the other game before, the Backrooms, so I remember the smiler. I remember this thing. It was a very handsome creature, this one. Yeah, this one I hate. How many are there? How many? Very sensitive to high pitched sounds, so I can scream at it. Smiler are strange creatures living in complete darkness and seem to destroy any light source they come in close proximity to. They are incredibly fast and can appear you hear such sounds, smilers will imitate, go back into hiding. Okay, so I can just scream into hiding, be ready to whistle. Wait guys, whistle. Guys, wait, which one is the whistle button? Ooh, what's this? Might be useful crafting exit. Okay, I understand, but I need to whistle. Guys, I think it is. I think it's E. Yeah, it's E. Let's go. Good. So I need to collect wood. Wait, how do I craft? Tag maybe? A crafting? There, a ladder. So we need 15! My issue is when I panic. Oh, is that a good way to whistle? Oh my bro, if there's a monster, can't they just make like roaring sounds or something to... That's radio. Put the radio. Activeness. Oh, this is a little creepier than the other one. Then Backrooms. Something with friends. That's probably because I'm playing alone. Mama O. Slaat niet. Slaat niet, slaat niet. Naughty boy. Bro. Goed, Zack. Zack, je tokken los. I just shared my pants. I apologize for the word. But guys, no. No, wait, let me just close the door for now. Let that sound just go away, please guys. Because I'm gonna scream. chill, breathing, still alive, barely, mentally, I'm not okay, I'm not stable. I need planks. Yeah, planky, planky, planky. Imagine being stuck in this like in real life. No, my dude, I could never. I would hide in a corner for the rest of my life. This thing's gonna pop out of nowhere. I'm screaming. It can hear me. It's tracking my voice. Yeah, I want this, bro. Give me the almond. I like the milky. Bro, wait, no inventory. If something pops out now, I'm not gonna make it better. Oh shoot, that's my heart. This is very creepy. It's okay. We got our milky and we'll be defined. No, not at all. Not at all. Bro, something looked at me. Not hungry. Okay. Ooh, what's this? What's that? It's sucking the wall. My brick. My guy. You okay? That's not very looking fast. It's not looking the fast. I feel there's something near us. My baby just ran. It's like the creature's starting to form. What is happening? Am I supposed to take the plank and then it's like boom at a chuckle? No. Damn the fish. Okay. The monster must not just sing, like just announce its bloody presence. Because my heart that is the cookings does not help me. Ooh, damn. Hey! I know what song I'm gonna sing. That sounds. Remember, kid. Press a pause. What if we left and right and left and right? In this case, left and right so the big bad monster doesn't eat you alive. Okay, so we're fine. The smilers are very offended because I can't shut up and the ears are big. Oh, shucks! No, my brood, that's not what. I'm gonna flake. I will whistle. I will whistle. My brood, don't you do that to me. I'm highly offended. That was not nice. Why did your mother never teach you not to scare people? Oh my god, there's something there. I'm running away. Oh my oh! Why is this plank hovering? I feel something's here. Guys, I know that's probably weird of me saying, but like, I sense it. Now my brew, wait, is that like a glitch? Is it like I have 15 planks. 15! Now my no, what now? I can't pick up the bloody plank. I need to craft this. But I need 15. Okay, maybe that's just a glitch. I'm gonna put this on the wall. Yes, I don't think I should have put like an X or something. I'm gonna run around with the spray, and if some weird looking figure tries to approach me, I'm gonna be like, bam, my bro, you wanted to touch me? Run the other way. Guys, no, that was not fast. That was not fast. I will blow my whistle, my bro. No, my bro, it's following me. It's following me. My heart, guys. Oh! That script the poop out of me. It likes dark places. Maybe that's sketchy. I will flake. Wait, I don't think it's the smiler. I think it's Daddy Long Legs. Very nice. Oh my god, hello. How's life? That thing's gonna like start chasing me once I oh, the planks fall like down. Bro, no. Wait, inventory. Oh, I'm gonna put that there. No, I'm dead, guys. I'm dead. That's not nice. Oh, guys. Yo. I don't know. Oh, I have goosebumps. Sure. Guys, just give me a few seconds. Guys, I was just trying to. I'm gonna tell my mommy. Mommy! No! Guys, I hear footsteps. Daddy Longlegs, my bro. Why haven't you. Ah, my oath. No. Is my screams not enough terror, my bro? Is that not enough for you? Oh, guys, no, guys, I'm freaked out. This game is a manipulator. It manipulates you. You know, it scares you one time and now you're dying. Oh, no, my bro. It scares you. Like I was saying, it scares the shocks out of you. And then you can't recover. Run! I'm just... What was that, guys? Why did it whistle? Guys, now